Right, good morning. It is the day after the Eden party. I have just recorded a little bit for the last one. Today I've got to find my moped. I've got to somehow make my way down to the Full Moon Beach actually. That's where I parked my moped and try and find it. Otherwise I'm going to get in big trouble. So I might try and hitchhike on someone's bike and see if I can get a lift down there. That's the plan for today. I'm going to attempt to hitchhike onto a scooter and hopefully get myself to the Full Moon Beach by my scooter. I haven't found any person to hide. Oh, I've been walking for so long, walking for about an hour up this mountain. Haven't found anyone to hitchhike with yet, so I'm just continuing to walk. Stupid. Done it, I managed to hitchhike a lift, free taxi, and I found my bike. Come on, and the sun's out finally, so it's looking good. Oh my god, talk about side quests. I literally picked up my bike, some guy was hitchhiking trying to do the same as me. I ended up picking him up and I've just driven him for about 45 minutes, completely opposite way to where I wanted to go. So now I've got to drive all the way back to finally get back to my hostel. This is just meant to be me picking up my bike and going back to hostel and chilling. And it's now 2 o'clock. Oh, what a day. Oh, quickly, another thing, right, that I forgot to mention. Obviously I got on that party last night where I had to get the boat out. Apparently one of the boats actually capsized and a couple of people have gone missing, which is terrifying. Like, that literally could have been me. Like, it's so scary. That's crazy. Literally, I was on one of those boats and it was mad. Trying to get off that beach, the waves were so choppy. I'm not surprised one of them capsized. I've literally had a couple of people asking like where I am right now because of it. Mad. But yeah, I'm safe, I'm good, and I'm thankful. But yeah, weird one. Alright, the plan now is we're getting on some mopeds with a couple of girls we met in the hostel last night, heading off to some sunset bar, so it should be fun. Something slightly concerning though is one of the guys I was with last night going to the boat club, not the boat club, sorry, the party, the Eden party. We've not seen him all day, and I know that he went off by himself to go home and get another boat back, and I know that a couple of the boats capsized and people gone missing, so we're just asking the reception now if they've seen him or anything like that. So fingers crossed he's all good. Yeah, bit of an odd one to be honest right now. So I've got a bit of an issue now. You can probably tell because I'm having to speak a bit louder, but my mic stopped working. For some reason, every time it connects to the camera, it starts like flickering, recording. So like it'll take like 1 second videos really quickly, which is really annoying, and I can't stop it. But yeah, anyway, I wanted to say when I said earlier, look, one of the people I went on the boat with was missing. Turns out he was just sat in his room watching Peaky Blinders. I found him, so it's all good. He's fine. So yeah, no stress there, but it is sad though because apparently one person is still missing from one of the boats last night, which is crazy. And I'm pretty grateful that I wasn't one of those people that fell off, because that would have been an absolute nightmare because that water was real choppy. But yeah, now anyway, I'm going to join some mates and see what happens. There was talks about going to this Waterfall festival tonight, so I could potentially end up doing that, so be cool. And is now, I think we're going to a Waterfall festival, so I'm stressed out about this mic winding me up, so I'm just gonna have some drinks, have a good time, and then yeah, literally I'm pretty sure bloody light. I'm trying to block the light. I'm pretty sure it's corrupted or like messed up load of footage from today, so I doubt it's gonna be a long video unless I record a lot of the night. So yeah, I'm gonna go get drunk.
I think next year
Just watch the football, then we're gonna head off. Here we go then. Another man's fan. They know we're English. Oh shit, fam. Oh no, big puddle. Birmingham, from Birmingham. Oh, here we go.
fucking have it.
Waterfall Festival. I mean, yeah. Don't even check. Hello. Yeah, it's so cool. Oh shit. Crazy. Another party in the mountains out I've made it back to the hostel. Got to move hostels tomorrow, so I'm gonna try and get myself some sleep. Waterfall Festival is pretty cool. It's just one of those places where you have to be off your absolute face to stay there long enough, and that's just not me. So yeah, off to bed now, waking up tomorrow, get my stuff together, and bosh, off to the party hostel for New Year's.